You know how we do! What's up, guys? I'm here at the shop, Connecticut. Here in Norwalk, Connecticut. Getting a Roush exhaust installed on the 18 Mustang GT over there. This is basically a guy's paradise with STIs galore, GTRs, BMWs, Volkswagens, pretty much everything. The shop is owned by a guy named Jimmy. He's a world record setting Mustang driver. I'll throw a link to his video in the description below. But for now, we'll do a comparison of the exhaust to stock, and yeah, more later.
If only there were a simple solution.
That's the old one, that's a new one. Alright, cool. Alright. All done already? Awesome.
Go ahead, Omar. Looks good.
All right, guys, got the Roush installed here at the shop, Connecticut. Really quick and efficient installation by these guys. A bunch of nice guys in there. State-of-the-art equipment. I recommend it if you live in the tri-state area. It's worth driving up here. But I'll do a separate video on that with an intro of the shop. For now, we're about to start up the car the first time with a Roush. Now, these are only Axel-Back exhausts. They didn't have the full catback. They are going to have the full catback over the next couple of months. Since I'm going to be getting the supercharger, God willing, that I just kind of wanted to have the Roush catback as well. And then we'll, talk headers and stuff like that later on. But the supercharger just came out. I'm super excited about it. It's very expensive. Need to figure something out there. But yeah, let's start her up. All right. So first impressions, just a different sound. Not really louder, just a different sound. That's how best I can describe it right now. So let's make some videos, some comparison videos. Shit, that's loud. Yeah, definitely quite a beast over exhaust, which was already pretty beastly. Oh yeah, really, it just brings the exhaust alive. Stock again on this car, the 2018 Mustangs. A very big improvement over previous stocks, but this Roush Axel-Back just brings it alive. Not too loud, definitely not raspy at all. It's an attention getter, but it's not going to turn everybody's heads around in the entire state. Let's hit it at 3,000 RPMs and in third gear. Sounds awesome. So far, loving it. I'll do another video where we compare launches to stock launches. Can't wait to get the rest of this system. Roush has an X pipe right now, but they don't have the mid pipe. I think that's coming out in April. Let's bring this down a little bit here. little pull in second gear here. Awesome. If you got a stock exhaust, you really cannot go wrong with this Roush Axel-Back. Just sounds totally beastly.